Good day, beloveds. Prof. Aubrey from JCR MTS. Did you know that every minute of a day serves a purpose? And there's a purpose in every day. So every second, every minute of every day, there's a purpose in it for you. Even if it is just to catch up with a friend who has been waiting to catch up with you. That friend will phone you numerous times and say, let's go for coffee or something. Maybe that's just what you need, because good friends and good conversations is always good for the soul. And believe me, good friends to have these good conversations with is far apart. Oh yes, definitely. Or otherwise, take time to catch your breath. Get your photo album, hence it physical, if you still got the old photo albums, or digital. Go and sit quietly alone there in your quiet place, your quiet corner where you feel comfortable. And when you revisit these places, these memories, what you have captured through the years, those memories which you haven't thought about in a long while. You know, beloveds, memories warms up the heart. It always warms up the heart. Therefore, not every day of life requires an agenda. Therefore, take time to slow down your pace, because life is in such a rush, in such a hurry, that things goes by us and past us without us even realizing it. The Swahili's got a word for this. They say we need to pole, we need to slower, we need to slow down. And that is quite good advice what they give us. Because if you slow down your pace, you can take advantage of a less regimented days. You know, when you slow down space, your soul, your heart, your mind will thank you for it, for that opportunity to rest from this world what is so in a hurry. And the best of all, as you start to slow down, you will start to find out that you do have time to spend with God as well. But there's enough time for that as well. So why don't we pole, but slow down and go through memory lane if that requires it. My number 076 479 7517. You're more than welcome to send me a WhatsApp, or you can give me a call. But please press that like button, that little bell to remind you when new YouTube shorts comes onto the channel, and don't forget to share it far and wide. Maybe somebody just needs to hear that they should pole. Shalom.